Hello guys, welcome back again. So today we are in Owerri, Imo State, and we are in this wonderful, extraordinary, top-notch hotel that I just built in town, known as Boulevard Hotel. And this hotel was built by someone that has established himself in the hospitality industry, and in the name of Chief Gabriel Chukwuma, aka Gabros, also known as Newi. So we are here with him. Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us, sir.
Thank you.
So we want to ask you now, out of the hotels in Owerri, you took your own a notch further. What gave you the inspiration?
Yes, because when they feel transport vehicle, I stayed there for 5 years. I lived there for 5 years.
Okay.
I lived in Owerri for 5 years. In Patanenta, I stay 1 month. I have seen big hotels. I like good things. I like suspected things. I like something lovely. So when I want to do a hotel, after investing all the hotels, I think that the best thing for me is to fly higher than what they have. And that's exactly what I do. I fly far more than what they have in the world. That's why I can get this very bad. Our enemy can sit in the very bad because you can't compare very bad to any other one.
Of course.
If anybody like good thing, anyone actually is the when actually say the money actually you will vary from there. When we vary from life, yeah. I like the body bad because if the body bad, they are secure. Everything they in the mark, they may bound.
Yes.
So for that reason, I hold you don't memory of no. I'm looking at my infrastructure. I'm happy to see. That's not the need to.
No, it's necessary. It's necessary.
Yeah.
So you are from Newi, and in Newi, they are mostly known for trading, buying and selling, especially in spare parts. But you have now kind of changed the narratives.
Okay.
You are moving towards the sports, hospitality.
Okay.
So what? How? Okay. Yeah.
Then you can ask anybody, not to boast.
Oh.
Even a new before, even with Gabros and others.
And others. Exactly.
For 10, 15 years, even with Gabros and others. Then without myself, when I live 60 years, I will leave the business to younger ones. Yeah. And that's exactly what I do.
Oh, yeah,
If I come 60 years, I leave the business for young ones, so that young ones shall grow. You cannot go and I am a general chair, even though they get be man.
Yes.
Oh, I know that moment. And if the man anything I got, only age a moment, so he will 60 years. Hand you over to younger
people.
First, yeah, I'm kind of mail retirement. If I'm the mail for other stressful, what factory? I didn't hear me. Which is an hotel. The poor market, all the time, happier. Yeah, so I don't have to say after the time I'm going to 60 years. One young one, you don't know. One younger people, actually, the next group. I'm able to do a business more than the business. My son can do that.
Okay. So finally now, you know the system we are in right now, the youth and how they want quick money. So you coming from that humble background, what do you have to tell these youths? What advice do you have for them?
Okay, Mbegalaga, Akawali, Mari, Ekumari, and then whatever the food in here. Akwana, this step is everybody for me. We don't actually bomb marriage. If you go around, you think I'm going to go today, Papa can go. In fact, the Papa will get back over Papa, more for me when they go. I'm a mobile mother. But I am a business mother.
Of course.
So, often I tell you, sir, I'm not going to prevent the dam. Obviously, I go to very easy. So, if you take care, keep where I get that last. If I go to this, man up the I will get more for benefit million. I'm going to million. The problem is that million.
How do you sustain
it? And some people make a business. Fail. We didn't have on a business. An example, last time, we were at the market. It's only when you go to the most a boy name where they go, I know a good background. Only when you go from background. They come with a plan of learning. Only when you go with you. Upon Shana train a year ago, it's a business. in 2-3 years onwe ego ahụ onye nke ọzọ inye ego onye kpọrọ ọgwụ ego ahụ agwụ ego ahụ agwụ so na all determination dịka ndị na ga-enwe ego nwere onye abara uru onye na dị useful ma nwere chọrọ ije ego mme ịfụ mba ndị chọrọ ije ego mmere Boulevard onye chọrọ ije ego mme so onye na-enwere ego chọrọ inwe ego ọ dị very easy kpata ego kpata ego dị very easy onwe nkịta onwere na ebe a na-akwụ less than 100,000.
Wow. Can you hear that, guys? You must have something to offer. Yes. Only invest part in this year. I know how long you can have time. I can even see you. You invest part in like cleaning. I know how I can even make cleaning. You invest part. You have to have nothing. Don't know how to get now. My name maker. It's not possible. It doesn't pay. You understand? If you come on, like government to get there. Government to get there. Don't get me wrong. How much you have? Just now, I'm going to so much to people is young boy is. I have a banning mafia that is naturally in the matter. Service. Suppose you the best zone in the country. I offer when the panel, the panel need penny. Yes. Father, they go, Father, Luolo, Father, Zwata, Father, Aguaquan, and everything. How about first and everything? Yes. Then I got some people are sharing from now. For my Yabata, I'm not trying to man. The man I'm also the best one. Oh my car, I put on the fan. Can you make a guess? See how they find it. That is now Luolo, was the hair to that. Was the hair to that. If money happy at the house. Well, police, I'm not getting another house. Then, what tomorrow they find the house? And that's the happy that they do. Oh, now the most people have to go to vote. I think I'll be working after again. So, everybody going to have a way for young boys. So, that is the everybody going to have but I know we can do IT now over there. The last thing I will feel over there. When actually I go actually. Before I know what. Open me and I'm not buying one. Open me and could buy one. Before I went to pay back. Then I need to have a human being like you. Have the mother go and a booster. Before they go have school where they go. You understand? So I never touch it now. I didn't make a one with her. I want to create her. I'm a man and mother. Because no Korea create something. I'm not see on our road, name with you. Only for you on the furniture. Before your head disappear, it's appear. You understand? The man makes very often no kind of change. No, they know their own. Above government, all government everything. No, one thing in the water, it is choice in the water, use. And again, I do not need you, do the doing, you need them. But I told them, I don't know if I can know. If I can know, you give on the monomarker, and they share and they make another to happen. They go to the house to win Nigeria. They go to set of long. That's to win Nigeria. You understand? You will make good at water. Now we can't even have them. The problem, the government before, which is because of the overworks. That's the problem, overworks. That's the problem. But believe me, one day, we're going to get it right. Actually, long line. I go to the one day. I have them. August, more amount so Chilekema. It is that so I'm going to Nigeria. So thank you so much, sir. We have heard from a person that has good heart. When you hear a person that has good heart, you will know. So thank you, Chief Gabriel Chukwuma, for being a philanthropist that has contributed in so many people's lives and for creating jobs, irrespective of how the economy is. For the youth out there, you have heard from him. Acquire a skill. Skills pay. Good skills pay. You know, and you have all heard it from him. The principles of money. It's not getting money that's the important thing. It's how to keep that money, how to manage that money. Okay.
I mean, one advice. You want to believe it. You can now, you cannot complain. Complain, I'm not be like anywhere. I have put action, right? I just go my hand up, I'm not put action. If I need them, let us go for technology. Don't know on a big technology. Go wait for the teacher, military teacher. Time is coming. You're going to get a time. You know how you're going to do it. Yes, I'm a new way. Everybody wanna know. Everybody, all the open, all the open. There's a check complaint. If I am onye na man of technology, dị iche iche, enwere ebe dị iche iche. When the time come, o nwere ebe ọ ga-eruo, a ga-ya ejike, ya ejila. Ebe na emezi ya. Ndị na-achịkwa ụlọ ha, ebe iche, ebe dị iche. Time na-abịa mgbe ike na-aga. Ebe na technology dị iche iche. Na-eke ọzọ, ndị bụ na-enyere anyị aka. Complaining, make a mental. Ma ọ bụ ibe mere akpagharị, ma ọ na-eme ka na-agbawụsị. Young people, ọ ga-abụ onwe ka eze, ọkpọ ndị mpụta ebe a na-agbagbu mmadụ, ebe agbagburu ndị mmadụ. But it's not among government, but it's not IGB. I'm about by the client. Do why a client? Why a client? Not these people. All these people are our future. All these people are our host. All these people are our protector. All these people are everything. Of the example, when we get yesterday, then they got that. Or more this is something that we came to about once. Or why? They don't want to get money. So all this one about the fact that I money among them and the money and the back on the weekend. I don't much even a middle man. The time I say we can get in it, that's not talk to them. Getting orientation. That's what they like. But people are moving, when I move back, I think my can move back. Or not go my father, my investor. Oh, my mother, how I go make it or by among them. But we why not to bring them? Give them orientation and empowerment. And empowerment. If you know how to say. That's my prayer. Man, I'm nowhere. I'm a check on me. Let everybody get it. Because good, very productive for yourself. Before go and learn tech skills. Everybody's producing. Yes. What everybody's producing. Huh? Of course. That day must come. So, thank you so much, Chief Gabriel Chukwuma. It's such a wonderful time with you. To our audience out there, you've heard it all. Thank you.